Penguins, these flightless seabirds, related to albatrosses and petrels, evolved from ancestors that flew over from New Zealand and Australia about 60 million years ago. Today, 18 to 20 species of penguin live in the Southern Hemisphere, ranging from the 15-inch little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, to the 4-foot-tall emperor penguin. They're all united by their waddling walk and tuxedo-like plumage, perfectly adapted for life at sea and on land. Their black and white feathers provide countershading, camouflaging them from predators like orcas. Some species sport yellow crests or orange spots, but all penguins have dense, stiff feathers that make them excellent swimmers. They can dive 20 to 1,800 feet down and swim at 15 to 22 miles per hour underwater in pursuit of fish, krill and squid. On land, penguins use the same powerful muscles to waddle, sometimes at speeds of up to 9 miles per hour. On land, they're less maneuverable, which is why they spend most of their time in the water. As far as we can tell, penguins evolved from ancestors that flew over from New Zealand and Australia about 60 million years ago. The Galápagos penguins live near the equator, where it's hot and there are no predators. So instead of being torpedo-shaped and black, they re-squat and speckled with white feathers to help them blend into the rocky coastlines where they nest. And speaking of nesting, all penguins are social birds, breeding in massive colonies that can contain thousands of individuals. They're generally monogamous, though some species are only faithful to their mate for one breeding season. Like many other birds, they lay 1 to 2 eggs, then share incubation duties, usually 30 to 66 days, and chick-rearing duties afterwards. Unlike many other birds, though, males and females are about the same size, so it makes sense that they share these duties. And unlike many other birds, penguins don't build nests. Instead, the female lays her egg, then both parents take turns sitting on it while the other goes out to sea to look for food. Penguins can live for 6 to 30 years, though it's hard to know exactly how long they live in the wild, because it is so hard to study them there. When you hear a penguin's call, whether it's a bray, squawk, or trumpet, it's probably trying to identify its mate or its chick. And when you hear a chorus of penguins calling, it probably means there's a predator nearby, in which case, if I were a penguin, I'd probably hide my face behind the next rock.